Hey there, my friends. My name is 𝐸𝐻𝐸, and I'm here to tell you about this awesome instant commission program that can put money in your pocket daily. So stay tuned because I'm gonna give you a quick overview of this awesome program that's put great commissions in my pocket. So stay tuned. So at Copy Pros, this is a simple system. It pays out 100% direct instant commissions. There's no waiting. This is a super simple copy and paste system that spits out unlimited 25 payments. There's no cap to how much money you can make with this program. Okay, so what is Ad Copy Pro, also known as ACP? So Ad Copy Pros, it's a ground for opportunity. It's fairly new to the market, which means it's a great opportunity for you. You'll be given all the ads that you need to copy and paste. That's one thing that some people struggle with online, is they want to know how to market. They want to market, they don't know how to do it. Okay, we give you the copy and paste ads, and we show you, we tell you where you can paste those, and then you can copy and paste your way to multiple daily payments. Okay, ACP offers two packages. You can come in at the ACP 1 package, which is $25. Plus you pay a $10 admin fee to get your marketing system and everything set up, so it comes out to $35. And that's one time. You never have to pay that again, and you're in business. You can start making money. The second level, which is the pro level, and that's for people who are serious about making money, is the ACP 2 level. And you come in, you paid $100 plus the $25 and the $10 admin fee, so it comes out to about $135. But what it does is, when you come in at the ACP 2 level, it positions you to make $125 payouts. You can make $125 commissions off of this program. Okay, one thing here is, you see some proof. Ad Copy Pros positions you to earn over and over and over again. Okay, plus you get paid directly to your PayPal account. Any commissions, money that you make, goes directly into your PayPal, and that's awesome. It's an instant pay program. There's no waiting for anybody to cut you a check, nothing like that. Direct to your PayPal account. All right, now one of the great things about this program is that Ad Copy Pros allows you to have leverage. So in addition to the commissions that you bring in, all right, from people that partner with you, everyone who you bring in has to pass up their second sale to you. So now you're making money with people who you brought into your program, and they're going to get the same benefit when they bring people in. Okay, so that's it. Okay, your first referral, of course, is paid to you. All right, I already said this. All right, so I'm gonna find a place where I can move myself to show you this example of how this works. So let's say you bring in 5 people, 5 referrals at the $25 level here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You brought in 5 people at the $25 level. You at the ACP 1 level will make $125. But here's where it gets really great. Okay, so let me move myself here for temporarily. Hold on a second. So you brought in these 5 people. These 5 people now have to pass up their second sale to you. They keep their first sale. Their second sale goes up to you. So now you made extra 125 off of the 125 that you made from the 5 people that you brought in as referrals. So now you made what is that, $250? Okay, just because you got 5 people at 25, and plus they passed up their second commission. So now you made $250. Okay, now it gets better. When those 5 people see the value of this system, that they can make passive commission, and they see how simple the Ad Copy Pros system is, then they upgrade. When they upgrade at the $100 level, okay, now they're making $125 commissions, and you're making an extra $100 as well. So now you added $500 to your income. So what are we at now? We're at $250, now $750 off of original 5 referrals. That is the leverage of this program. I love this program. All right, so now that I've kind of gave you a real quick overview of how this works, I want to kind of go over what you get when you partner with me. So you're going to get access to our Ad Copy Pros team training group. You're also going to get a step-by-step getting started blueprint that is in our Ad Copy Pros training group. And you're going to get access to my personal VIP Facebook group, where I provide resources, training. I invest very heavily in marketing training, and my group by extension gets all the benefits of the training that I invest in for myself. They get the benefit of that because I share every bit of knowledge with my Facebook group. Okay, because they invested in themselves. So you know what? I'm going to invest in them. So when people join me at the ACP 2 level, which is the $100 level, this is where I'm going to give them lots of resources. So at the ACP 2 level, in addition to the things that you get for free, which are up there, the team training group, the getting started blueprint, and the VIP Facebook group, I'm going to give my ACP 2 members a free game plan coaching session, which is a $100 value, where we can map out, you know, how they're going to get the money that they want to earn and what exactly they need to do as part of their daily blueprint. Okay. In addition, they're going to get a free marketing course from me, which is a $500 value marketing course, which shows them how to market online, what to say, you know, where to say it, where to get traffic. They're going to get all that, okay, in that marketing course. I'm also going to share with my ACP 2 members the exact marketing funnel that I use and my email swipes, okay, that I put in my autoresponder. So they're going to get all that when they invest in themselves and join at the ACP 2 level. All right, so that's it. I hope this was of value to you. What I want you to do is, if you're watching this on YouTube, like, comment, and subscribe. And here's to your success online. Check out the comment section below. There'll be some information on how you can get started with this wonderful instant pay program. Don't wait. Lock in your spot today, and let's get you up and going. Bye, guys.